Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Wairire buya omwancho murigeria bugete sinigia Ensoko ngwa kambia mono kiagero gendete gutubwatia obutuko no mubaso aiga no kwenyorere mirobiri ogokogokia eyo gukomanya neyo ogokorokereria alionse oganete kumanya ime ya gusina isiko yaye bono igonde ange guchokoretera Amayia senchera yobwenge ase Chinsa chiga Ikomi gogusaba ngo omwancho murigeria bwo tubwatia se emitandao yaito Facebook na YouTube erindo nyare kwemanya iretariane Nedina Mura. Amateyemo kurwase kinyorukia gikora ibere imeye wodi ya Kigogi ebungo ya Kitutu Chache North county ya Kisii nigo gwetera makongu magega y'abana babokoba no borema ao asibono bagotebanga umwana obokane niga gwakuru mutigoro na kubuneka omugongo asibona ganeirie chimilioni igaganeirie chimilioni ibere erindanyara ko bagakurwariwa bono nigo bagusaba abantu bali abogokonyo kuya erinde babasire eri okowenya omwana oyo.
Asa marieta ongoro guchoisi kwamboka ngwenyi aiga nenka yane oyo no mocho korona orwarete omomuro oyo no oyo kabere nabwata amatemo iga bwata abana barema bari batatu noyo nere twakagere torenge buya nere oumire omwana omonene niga ukorete eriso oyo kabere tari gukwana oyo gatatu tari gukwana oyo kane tari gukwana oyo nere orenge buya twasemereti ng'ere rende nache gokonya nkeyeiga rende omong'ama takamorangeria achi komwaroriria omote gwa bahati mbaya omwana oyo akaenda akagwa goetera rende moroche oboremerwe moroche buna nkeyere ekamanya goikera rende chibesa chiarenge ensinini omwana oyo oete rigu korwarerigwa chiaerire bono twatigeire namagoka amasa
Njengo rugusa muri onyego omwana oyo noyo norenge omwama tinyero mubegeto mutigo rekire narenge ro giricho ono mwana oyo nyasurikire paka bone iga saisi wangira gochenji ono nataka monkonye abesimwa chapeti nya simbarati
ono iga twakwandirira saba isimiwa baito baregeti Chared Masieka omobungo ito Chared Chabet Nyakundi gaki toigu motokonye tonya toto Simbarati esimba yetu ya Kisii County gaki enkeye gechandegete muna turano ari bone kende ngiri bakoria na kabando ngasimikiria nabo bari gana gatoke kara na nkaiga abo nenchara yoka bono rende ebeseganirie erinde omwana yanyoro bakonyi nenuse million erinde agwenibwe bono nka kende tikeyo turanyore inde kemokonye okunga rukugusaba gwito
omwancho murigereria aba matabu nigo baganetie enuse milioni taribu na chimilioni bere konyora na kwanira buri tangani omwancho murigereria akwenda sorobotironde nerianga omuraibu enseruto obekire sei omuswada bwokeani bango kobari chiko aya magega yebunge koire getambokero kya bwango asogokwanira omuswada oyo na koyoetia gwetera asogokina kwerigori ya mabuta lichikeri neryo gokeanie ebango yebinto ao asekerengo kya isano nesa tugoro yemia igo kubwa korwa chi 14 sana nemo igoro yemia buna enchere yamo yoko gusueria bananchi oborito bobokina kwa magori y'ebinto biria bakogora richikeri nigo rirairigika kimete nyetatu ase nainde rirairanenerwe onye chisegi chiria cha Iran chigo chia kogenderera.
Excellency, I have the instructions of the Speaker of the National Assembly to place before you these vellum copies, 6 of them, of a short bill, only 2 clauses, but very impactful, called the Value Added Tax Amendment Bill 2026. This bill, Your Excellency, was introduced in the House by the Deputy Leader of the Majority Party, the distinguished member for Kilifi North, on behalf of the Majority Party. Your Excellency, this bill follows a dispatch that came from the National Treasury, dated 10th of April, which advised that His Excellency the President request the National Assembly to amend Cap 476, that the VAT Act, so as to cushion Kenyans from the possible effect of the rising in petroleum products, Your Excellency, rising costs of petroleum and petroleum products, Your Excellency. The bill, Your Excellency, was introduced the 17th, Your Excellency. The bill was introduced and passed in a record time yesterday on 16th, Your Excellency, in all stages, first reading, second reading, Committee of the Whole House, and third reading. In a nutshell, Your Excellency, this bill amends Section 6 of the VAT Act. Currently, Section 6 of the VAT Act permits the Cabinet Secretary for the National Treasury to vary VAT by a percentage not higher than 25%. That's the standard VAT, which is currently set by law at 16%. But conscious that the 25% may not be able to cushion Kenyans appropriately, the National Assembly responded to your request last evening and amended the VAT Act to provide that the VAT rate applicable to the petroleum and petroleum products for a period of 90 days shall be at 8%. The bill is also conscious, the House is also conscious, Your Excellency, that should the situation persist beyond the 90 days, there may be need to extend the VAT rate further, and therefore it permits the Cabinet Secretary to extend, should the situation persist, by a further 90 days.
Ekerobochori wabaraiba wakili ba LSK orusagi rwa Southwest Nyanza bogenderete bona bawakiri kurwasa orusagi orwo ekaunti ya Kisii nigo besokirie erio gwakekura erinde bachie kubachora baraibaria baganetie nigo bagoteba nga goikaboniga abawakiri asekerengo kia 50 euro yemia nigo besokirie goikerana erio goche gwakachikura na kubachora abarai abaya egati abari bakurwanire kirogo kyobo nyakirogo ngamona zeli bonuke oyuru wa okubolia gochase abande bonsi baenderete wesokia erio bakekura ase oboene no bwasioko
Minto mwanya getinge ase mwabeta na bakwaniri nande marogo yogono asa malite gonkoro kuzel mabonuke igondo moengereria somo wakili aiga se town ya Busongo ronto bwato bochoria kwa abarai bali bako tenenera abawakili intenene buno yo mwa abarai bali bako bolie kerogo kyobonya obanya kerogo oba chairman lero toikirega ga kizi locots bantondo che bachire ase obonge abawakili batemere wakachikura. In fact, as Chinsa chiaboniga abantu angenus y'abawakili bali registered in Busongo akirechikura. The report tubwate ku Roma Bay na Migori nelinga chinambe cyona kiro chietani linus eyiwe korokinga abantu baito banchiranire nga obachori obonchorari bokolekana bole inkige kogara oro inki ekege kworokinga mwanya bantu amwana enje nyene alamoso nduna abawakili tuerure wakachikura elinda tuchenchi obogangu boito bonyare ko bobu biyamono nandi musaba sen
Maeche. I am the current SG Secretary General of this branch until 25th of this month, and hopefully beyond, because I'm also defending the seat. I can say that members have come out in large numbers, and so far the turnout as of now here in Kisii Lokot's polling station, we are slightly above 50%, so which is a good turnout. We are hoping that the turnout will even be 100% because all the members are present, they are within us, and we are hoping that the turnout will be 100%.
And it is always our duty as a national office to always offer support where needed, to always amplify what needs to be done in our branches. And today we call upon all the members of Southwest Branch, be it that you're in Homa Bay, be it that you're in Kisii, be it that you're in Migori, be it that you're in Kilgoris, to turn up because this is your civic duty to be able to elect the leaders who are going to serve you for the next.
Today we have exercised our civic duty, and we are so excited that members have turned up in large numbers. We're also humbled that our Vice President is here with us. I've been very vocal and loud about fighting masqueraders and ensuring that our practice standards are maintained. And so we are so happy that everyone is here today, that we choose and elect leaders who will help us in serving the members well. Thank you.
Abanyanyimbo ime ya Nairobi barireire gucha kubeka oborende kero kende gionsi korobekana kurabe ime y'Chinsemo cha Nairobi. Umukomando munene ime ya Nairobi Isa Mohamud otebire onde bwensi urigete korobekana hoikae weri rube lyo kumwanchera gukora igo nalio arabekera oborende boisaine ne serikali. Oigo kuleire baria bagokora chiburaburu ekero gyo korobekana na nigo barairurwe getambo kero keli chikobuna abasalia.
On the conduct, facilitation and management of protests, demonstrations, public gatherings within Nairobi City. We operate strictly within the law, guided by Public Order Act and the Constitution of Kenya 2010, which guarantees the right to assemble, demonstrate, present petitions peacefully and unarmed. Let me emphasize that we do not oppose or to demonstrations, but lawful assemblies to ensure that constitutional rights safely and without interference. For this month, we have facilitated 18 protests and processions, and we have protected them, guided them, and they were able to present. So don't confuse with riots and protests. These are different things. So what the law guarantees is protests and processions. In that regard, we are able to provide security and protect whoever is protesting peacefully and unarmed. Consequently, we will ensure law and order is maintained throughout that exercise, and we will prevent criminals from infiltrating who may expect. We are guided by Public Order Act, Section 5 and Article 37 of the Constitution. You know, the Constitution gives us the right, but that right is exercised under Public Order Act.
Omwaziri wa manani Dibora Baraza osabire linani lya chiranganyi korendwa ekagera nalio likoleta mache ase Chinsemo chinyinge imeyoro gongorwa Rift Valley na gochena embeo ekero kyomoyega buburendi bwa manani na ebito etanaine imeyomo bogani oyomo imeyomo cho Nairobi oyukeranwa na bobisa ao kale omwaziri Kipchumba Murkomen bune patroni yabo abaraya batebire engenchenene nerororo asokolenda manani eliwetanga na mabali yakoletwa ekero kimbule nyinge bunabono etoigo na okwanyoka kweliroba.
And since the launch of the National Landscape and Ecosystem Restoration Program anchored in the Presidential Directive to grow 15 billion trees by 2030, we have fundamentally shifted the national mindset from tree planting as a ceremonial activity to tree growing as a disciplined, measurable, and accountable national priority. Today, we have surpassed 1.43 billion trees planted. Through innovations such as the Jazamiti application, we are enhancing transparency and ensuring the survival rates, not just planting numbers, but defining our success. Together, we can achieve the 15 billion tree target, we can restore our water towers, we can transform livelihoods and secure our natural heritage.
The enforcement and the processes we are doing is to foster unity and harmony among the people, and it must involve these same people to understand that this is their forest, it is not government forest, and government is coming to support you to protect your forest because your life and livelihoods is dependent on this forest. So therefore, the Chesongoch landslide disaster of the night of October 31st last year is still fresh in our minds. We lost lives, livelihoods, and critical infrastructure because the hill slopes left bare and unstable, were left bare and unstable due to human settlement and could no longer absorb the heavy downpour. A similar tragedy was witnessed in 2019 in West Pokot, in places like Sondany, Tamkal, in the same Elgeyo Marakwet in Liter, in West Pokot, Chesongoch.
Ebyombe ao inseye kombekeria gikuigerero bwene bwa mwanya bantu kia Amnesty International bagikeirie ogokorwa gusukugurwa kwa basai eri gukora ubusagani asemesangerekano ya siasa. Ebyombe byabasubati kurwasobo menyo bwebibanda ime ya Nairobi bakureire abana siasa abo bagutumeka abataka gukora ubusagani asebatebire ebikoro bunebyo nigo bikorenta obwoba asobo menyo bwabo na bosio bwobo choryo bonene bole bosio.
My name is Jelly. I represent Tutali Madhari community as Vocal Africa Mukuru Social Justice Center, Kituo cha Haki Kibra, Dagoretti Women with Power, Utali Madhari Community Organization, 6.25 Organization, and Dandora Grassroots Women Movement. We speak as group from informal settlement where most often Gunism are sought from. We hereby issue a stern warning from politicians. This is a reckless and dangerous path you are charting from this country. The normalization of violence as political tool is not an irresponsible, but is a direct invitation of chaos and anarchy. Especially as we are closer to the 2027 general election, history has shown us that once violence is unleashed and institutionalized, it rarely remains controlled. It consumes everything, including those who once thought they could wield it for convenience. The event of last weekend in Kikuyu and Kitale exposed an even more alarming reality. This is a selective application of the law by police. In Kitale, law enforcement moved with commendable speed to this week arrest over 170 individuals involved in the attack of the Nikokadi.
Abaraibe kanisa ime ya Embu basabire serikali enene gutenenera kinyagetari cya serikali asengencho yo gusarika ko buteneneri nabo igo gutakanwa na ugutarikwa kwa abanyagetari baisaine ime ye county Chinyinge. Aya ni gagocha magega yo kurobekana kwa bwanguiga ukukwairereta abananchi batatu kuraswa ekero baringe kwemurunganiria obo bwenyagetari ya Ishara ime ye county yo ya Embu.
Changamoto ya mahospitali na challenge ile tuko nayo ya afya kama hiyo Ishara, tumeona watu wakurushiana maneno ya blaming each other. Aidha serikali ya kaunti inasema ni madaktari ya Ishara, madaktari wengine wafanye kazi vile inatakiwa. Madaktari nao wanasema ni serikali, community na nasema ni huyu. Hiyo pia haitatusaidia sana. Ile iko ni washikadau, watu washikane na suluhu ipatikane. Hii shinda ambayo inafanya watu wagome iishe, hospitali zipate dawa, mashini zinunuliwe na ikiwa kaunti zimeshindwa na hii kazi, basi warudishe hii mpango ya afya kwa national government, because amani tulikuwa tunaona pia hospitali zinajari watu zaidi, lakini najua hii pengine ni somo kubwa, ni challenge kubwa kwa kaunti yetu na kaunti zingine. Waangalie maneno ya afya watengeneze, na si afya peke yake, hata mambo ya elimu, mambo yote ambayo yanatakiwa yaangaliwe ya mwananchi yaangaliwe.
Mwancho murigiriria oinoro mwerio bwa mangana mayaso bwenge asaya na yanda mange tubwatia bo Chinsa inseyemo ne Chinsa isato chabo tuko na gutakire magoro bengia na kwania baria twabwaterana na barabwa sensemo ya kabire Felicitas pamoja na Kevin iritariane ne dinamora na gutakire magoro bengia.